On behalf of all the foreign delegations, we are here from different countries, from Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, South Korea, China, and many other countries are here today to witness the importance of all these sites, which I would say that are archaeological sites, which has a very universal value, not only to Buddhists. Of course, for the Buddhists, it's no doubt. These are the places once we can imagine. There's many saffron robe like us who are walking around here, doing their practice, doing their chanting, studying the Buddhist philosophy, and so and so. But in this phase, in this 21st century, we are seeing here as a ruin, archaeological ruins. We are seeing here as a death archaeology, as everyone just seeing us. But if we have a wisdom, if we have a dedication like His Excellency here, we can see that the story doesn't end with these rocks. The story doesn't end with all these ruins of this monastery. But whole idea is that amidst this very hot weather, we are still able to stand still, and then we can still appreciate the wealthy, the beauty once it holds in this place. So this is something go beyond Buddhism. Buddhism talk about the universal philosophy of peace, non-violence, how we live in harmony. But each stone, each art piece is something come as what we call is universal art. It is go beyond the religion. It is go beyond the economy. It is go beyond the whatever politics all about. Every single human being can appreciate what you got it here. So my appeal to Your Excellency, good, Your Excellency and the Pakistani is talking about this Buddhist heritage. But I want every one of us to even broaden our view and vision. Buddhists are only 500 million in this world. But population in this world is 7 billion. So we have to target, Your Excellency. So if you are targeting only 500 million, 1% of 500 million is nothing. But if you are targeting 7 billion population of this world, who can equally enjoy and appreciate just as any single Buddhist, then imagine, out of 7 billion, you got 1% of that population visiting your place. And suddenly this archaeological site become a live archaeology, not only the artistic, the civilization, the historical, and we can learn a lot of philosophy.